It's New Music Weekend. To start, Grammy Award winning global megastar and philanthropist Sean Paul today released his seventh studio album, Live and Living, promoting collaborations over confrontation. The 16 track album sees veteran artists like Buju Banton, Damian Jr. Gong Marley, and dancehall hitmakers Busy Signal, Movado, Governor, Massacre, Intense, Skilly, Bang on collaborations with the Dirty Rock Boss.
I'm very proud of the work, very proud of the steps we took, bold steps to kind of unify certain things in the dancehall right now. Looking forward to people's reactions, I've been getting some good ones. Big up to every artist and producer and engineer who worked with me on this one. Big up, dancehall to the world.
Sean Paul's Live and Living is the first album from his Dirty Rock Productions and is available across all digital platforms. Get your copy. Now, Jukebox Music Production has released Popcorn and Beres Hammond's collaboration. The song that was previewed during Beres Hammond's Love from a Distant concert, which, by the way, has surpassed 1 million views on YouTube, dropped today, much to the satisfaction of fans who were calling for an early release since the live debut. In a release, producer Shane Brown of Jukebox Productions said the combination of Beres Hammond and Popcorn is refreshing and the message of the song is real. God is Love is now available on all digital platforms. Now, Grammy-nominated reggae artist Tatana has been turning heads since the release of her single Proper with Ghanaian artist Stonebwoy. Etana switched up her flow and look for the song that is already trending across social media. Proper is the first song to be released off her 8th studio album set for release later this year on her Free Mind Music imprint. Now, the weekend will end with Fame Frequency as we welcome all soca lovers this Saturday night for a soca and dancehall-infused event. Fans can rep for soca or dancehall as the big boss Arif Super Coop Cooper returns for a blazing night. Joining him is the soca party prince King Taj. Now, for the dancehall lovers, the Silent Shaker DJ Xavier and Radio Jamaica's hardcore DJ Kemar Genius, who gets his second go at Fame Frequency. Party starts at 9 p.m. on RETV and Fame 95 as well as Hits 92 FM. Now we leave you with this somber clip from the Nine Night of Bunny Wailer held yesterday.
Giving our tribute and our contribution on behalf of his departure. His works has been fulfilled. He has been recognized all over the world. Give thanks unto Bunny Wailers, give thanks unto His Imperial Majesty, which is a servant for.
And that's your weekend wrap. I'm Deidre Gordon. Have a good one.